Managing your digital receipts is a breeze with Docyt. Let's walk through how to copy an email address for a module and email a receipt directly to your receipt box. Log into your Docyt account by visiting app.docyt.com. To access the receipt list, go to the top header menu and click Expense Management. Select Receipt Box from the drop-down menu and choose Receipt List to view all your receipts. See that blue link? Click it to reveal and copy your unique Docyt email address for your receipt box. Now, open your email client and start a new message. Attach the receipt you wish to upload. In the To field, paste the custom receipt box email address you just copied. For the subject, add a concise description of the receipt. Hit Send and your job is done. Docyt will take a few minutes to process the receipt. Emailed receipts will be available in your receipt list in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.